Welcome to One Canal Road, Lahore's most premium residential address, the city's first designer residences. In a serene waterfront setting along the canal, overlooking the Gadify Stadium, and within minutes of the city's best shopping and culinary experiences. We have around-the-clock construction teams working 3 shifts, day and night, to ensure One Canal Road is delivered on time. We're not just leading the way in luxury, but most importantly, in quality and delivery.
One Canal Road, Lahore, a project by DR Homes.